is the car of others very clean? They were using this wireless vacuum cleaner, extremely compact. It can be used for a long time after charging. It can absorb dust, debris and other garbage from the car. It can also be used in very narrow spaces. The filter element can be washed. It also integrates suction, blowing and pumping functions.
Car vacuum cleaner, dry and wet dual use, wireless vacuuming, all-round cleaning. It's small and doesn't take up much space in the car. It's very useful, and the dust and garbage in crevices can be cleaned up. The car-mounted wireless charging high-suction handheld vacuum cleaner is suitable for cars and families. It has an excellent 30-minute endurance. It is particularly light, very compact and convenient to store. Car wireless charging high-suction power handheld vacuum for car and home.